My name is Helen Nassau, and I had the anterior hip surgery with Dr. Olson. I was the first one in Manitowoc to have the anterior surgery. The problems I had before surgery was actually walking. It was pulling out in the groin area much more than it used to. It got to be too constant. So I could only walk about a half a block before the surgery. I assumed it was my back. So I was going to chiropractors and I was going to the pain clinic and nothing was helping, nothing. I had injections and nothing helped. So then when I went to the last pain clinic, they said with the ultrasound, it's not your back, it's your hip. I had come to see Dr. Olson by seeing him first for a knee problem, and he had scoped my knee a year before. And when I found out that my hip was my hip and not my back, I decided I needed to come back to Dr. Olson and discuss what could be done. The day of my surgery was scary. It's scary for anybody going into surgery. My fear was the fact that we were putting a piece of something else into my body to stay forever. Dr. Olson came in and he's the kind of the guy that just says jokes and, you know, puts you at ease right away. After surgery, everyone in the hospital was extremely good. Right there to take care of you and answer all your questions. Recovery, well, it's not fun, but the recovery for an anterior is a lot less time than the one that they did before in the rear. So I'm certain I healed much faster than others who had it. They cut into less tissue and muscle, and I walked and went up and down steps and healed. In fact, I took a train by myself to California 2 months after the surgery, and I did fine. I would say to Dr. Olson, thank you, sir. You were very kind. I was so afraid, but you calmed my nerves and got me through it, and thank you so much for my life back. My life has changed 100% since the hip replacement. I got a call from my girlfriends last month and they said, what did you do? And I said, I've been weeding and I've been planting and I've been in the yard all day and I don't hurt anywhere, and that's what I couldn't do before.